Welcome back. Today we're going to be demonstrating a quick DALL-E 2 NFT creation on Optimism. Switch over to Optimism. Daily NFT. No idea what this will be. Uses AI to generate. This is dope. This was made by a robot. Oh, there we go. Now we got a quantity. Let's go with 100 and give us a 10% royalty. Boom. Oh, I can share it on Lens. Is this true? Did the team just go and throw in a Lens button without me even knowing? Wow. Wow. That's awesome. Boom. Just post it on Lens. It'll go out on everywhere, and then I can mint it. Shouldn't work right now. Oh no, we defaulted the sale state to on now. This works fine. I just gotta switch back over to Optimism. Then I can mint, or I should, wow, and then I can just mint. No more having to flip the sale state. Look at that. Oh, this is so smooth. Sweet. Just mint the dang NFT. Total cost like 50 cents to create the contract. Mint a piece of generative art, and now everybody can mint it. Go ahead and mint yourself a piece.